Simplified, where I will make problems easy to understand. Today's problem, Leetcode 26. Remove duplicate from sorted array. So you're given a sorted array and you need to remove duplicates in place. That means no extra space allowed. Modify the array directly such that the first k element are unique elements and return k. Let's understand the problem quickly. So if the input is this array, we modify it to be like this. The output should be two unique elements in this array. How about this input array? We're going to modify it in place and it will become this, and we return 5 unique elements. The key trick here is the array is already sorted, so all duplicates will always be next to each other. So you have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Here is the idea to tackle this problem. Use pointer I to keep track of the position of the last unique element, and pointer J to scan through all the elements and compare it with the last unique element. If it's different, congratulations, we just found another unique element, and we're going to copy it to the right position of the last unique. Now here comes the fun part, a visual walkthrough. Let's watch how the arrays get modified as pointers I and J move through it step by step. First of all, set up I's position of the first unique element. So 1 is the first unique element. Then we will go through every other. When J at position 1, 1 is the same as number 1 at position I. Yes, if the same, then advance J to the next element without doing anything. Now 2 at position J is the same as 1 at position I. No, congratulations, we just found another unique element. And then we're going to advance I and copy 2 to that position. And at this time, the loops end because no more element to go. Position I is 1, and we return 2, which is I plus 1. Go to the next example. This element 0 at position I is the first unique element. We're going to use pointer J to scan through all the elements and compare with the last unique element 0. So 0 at J is the same as 0 at I. Do nothing. Advance J to the next position. 1 at J different from 0. Then we're going to advance I to the next one and copy 1 to that position. Go to next repetition. Advance J to the next position. 1 at J is at the same as 1 at I, position I. Do nothing. Continue. Advance J to the next position. 1 at J, the same thing as 1 at I. Do nothing. Advance J again. Now 2 at J is different from 1 at I. So we just found 2 is a new unique element. Then we advance I to the next position and copy 2 over there. Now advance J to the next position. 2 at J, the same thing as 2 at I. Do nothing. Advance J again. 3 at J is different from 2. So 3 is the new unique element. Advance I to the next position and copy 3 there. Now advance J to the next position. 3 at J the same as 3 at I. Do nothing. Advance J to the last position. 4 at that position is different from 3, then 4 is a new unique element. Then advance I to the next position and copy 4 there. At this time, the loop is end. J already go to the end of the array. Now we know I is 4, so we return 5. If you are with me so far, great. Let's turn the idea into actual Python code. So first, set the position of the first element I equals 0. So the first unique element is also at the first position. Then we use pointer J to scan through the array from second position to the end of the array. If the elements at J is different from the elements at I, then congratulations, again we just found the new unique element, and we're going to advance the position of the last known unique elements, and we copy the current element to that position. And at the end, when J went through all the elements, we return I plus 1. The first I plus 1 elements are the unique elements. And we're done. Let's submit the Leetcode. Oh, accepted. Perfect. This is clean, fast, and no extra memory needed. If that helped you see it a little more clearly, I'm glad. Stick around, subscribe to this channel, and let's tackle the next one together. Thanks for watching.